Hi guys, today I'm making beautiful paper flowers from tissue paper and dinner napkins. Both are inexpensive and very easy to make, so let's get started. Okay guys, so these are the items I will be using today to make my flowers. So I have my dinner napkin, I have my tissue paper, I have some markers, I have a rubber band, and I have my scissors. So these items I got at the dollar store. Okay guys, so these are napkins I had around my house and I decided to use them. I didn't have any colored napkins, so I decided to add some color to these white ones with some markers. So these are regular watercolor markers that I'm using. I'm just going to do any pattern. You don't need anything specific. Do whatever you want. It's going to turn out great. So I'm just going to use the purple and yellow around the borders and some on the middle of the napkin. So here I have a water bottle with just regular water that I'm going to use to spray the napkin to get the colors to bleed a little bit. Once the napkin is dry, guys, we're going to go ahead and fold it accordion style from one end to the next, making as even as possible folds. Once everything is folded, I'm going to secure the center tightly with the rubber band. Now you can use a twister tie, you can use floral wire, or you can even use pipe cleaners. And don't worry guys, if the folds are not perfect, once the flower is fluffed, you won't be able to notice those little imperfections. Now I'm adding the rubber band, guys, and this is going to be the center point of the flower, so make sure it's snug enough to hold everything together but not too tight that it tears the paper. Next, I'm going to round off the ends with my scissors, and this is going to give the petals their shape. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys, if you are enjoying the video, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so, as I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers and I would greatly appreciate your support. If you are new to my channel, I'm so happy you're here, and if you are returning, thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate it. It's now time to fluff the flower, guys, so we're going to carefully separate each layer and pull them towards the center. Take your time with this part, guys, because it's paper, it tears easily. This DIY is just great for beginners as well because it's just easy to make. If you're into crafting or just looking for a new hobby, this is great to try. It can also be used for any occasion. You can add it to a centerpiece, you can add it to a photo booth, or even a backdrop. And if you're a teacher, hey, you can use this as part of a school project or for Mother's Day or even Earth Day. And if you have kids and you are looking for something fun, a nice little DIY to do with them this summer, you can go ahead and try this. It won't disappoint. I'm fluffing the last bit, and this is how beautiful it turned out, guys. I also love the subtle colors the markers created. Now let's move on, guys, to our tissue paper flower. I'm going to begin by folding the tissue paper in thirds. Try to make it equal as possible. Then I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'm going to fold it again. This is going to give me the layers I need, and the more layers you use, the fuller the flower will look. I'm only using one sheet for this video as I'm not making them too big, but you can make them as big as you want in as many colors as you want. I'm using this cover to make a circle. It's the perfect size and it's going to be also the size of the flower. Next, I'm going to make some scalloped shapes around the circle, and that's going to be the shape of the petals. As you can see, guys, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's really not going to show. It won't be noticeable. I'm going to cut this out with my scissors. So this part, guys, is really going to be the hardest part, I think. Both methods that I'm showing you today is going to give a similar looking flower, but I think this one is the easier one, and that's just my preference. You can let me know what you think in the comments. So the layers are ready, and I'm just going to give it a staple in the middle, and that's going to be the center point for this flower. Like the flower before, I'm going to separate the layers of the tissue paper and pull them gently towards the center. And that's basically it. There's no glue added, nothing else added. I'm just going to pull all the layers to the center, and that's going to be it. While putting it together, just hold it at the base. It's tissue paper, so it's going to stay in place. Remember to be careful with this step, guys, as tissue paper is delicate and can tear easily if it's pulled too quickly, so take your time. I'm just continuing to fluff the flower. With each layer, it's becoming fuller and more dimensional, and I can't wait for you to see how it turned out. Just to trust the process. So I'm onto the last bit of this one, and this is how beautiful it turned out, guys. I really love this. It's bright, it's vibrant, and it reminds me of a carnation somewhat, and the first one reminds me of an hydrangea. The possibilities are just endless with these, guys. They are affordable, so you can make as many as you want without breaking the bank, and you can make them as big as you want. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and please let me know in the comments which flower was your favorite, the tissue paper flower or the dinner napkin flower. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye. Happy crafting.